Hello, sir. What can we do for you? Hey, yeah, I'm trying to get an estimate on my car. It's making a weird sound, like a more of a like like in Saving Private Ryan when the gun got jammed in that dirt bunker. It's like, you ever heard like a kitchen garbage disposal when you put like noodles in there? It's like, it's like dial-up internet, but like in a submarine. Like every time I brake, it's like poop cha cha cha. It's like one of those like Latino radio stations. It's less of a like and it's more of like it's like a miter saw, but like with a little bit of reverb. Wow. Every time I accelerate, it's like wing. You know how the Under Armour slogan used to be like click clack? It's like that, but in reverse, like clack click. Like when I'm going downhill and turning left when it's over 80 degrees. It's like this low pitched hum. It's like woo. When my left window is down and I'm turning right at a stoplight. It's like Thomas the Train Engine, but going down a hill. Sounds like the engine. That'll be $2 million.